Hi, I'm Kanishka Trivedi, and this is the new project BehaveGuard. So, the traditional authentication systems used in banking and trading platforms uses the standard traditional methods like login. When we want to log in, we just enter our name, email, and our password, and just it's finished. The system doesn't authenticate us later on. So, what if our system, our laptop or phone are stolen, or our session cookies or session ID is hacked by a hacker? They can use our platform or systems, right, without getting detected and all. So, that's where BehaveGuard comes. So, it authenticates you once at the login time, just like the traditional authentication systems are. But the new thing over here is once you're logged in, based on how you type, how you use your mouse, it creates a digital fingerprint of you. It creates a digital fingerprint of your typing speed and your mouse patterns. So when a hacker or some another person who is not authorized to use your system tries to use your system, it's obvious that the digital fingerprint of that person and of yours is going to be different. So when the system, the ML model, detects a different digital fingerprint, it gives you a pop-up to write a 6-digit security pin. We will see how we get the security pin and all. So this is the landing page. We can see the demo of how it tracks our typing patterns. So let's just get started. Let's create a new account. This is a demo account. I'm going to delete it later on. We are going to set the transaction pin, which is going to be used later on. This is the part where we are needed a verification code. Let's just send the verification code to the email account which we use to register. It is going to give us a 6-digit OTP or a code, security code, to our email, and we have to enter that over here. It might take a little bit long time. I have a slow network access over here. So these are the steps we completed. We filled our account details. We created a security pin, which is going to be used later. And now we are going to get a verification code on our emails. So let me explain the features of this project. Meanwhile, we are getting the OTP. So whenever an anomaly detected, like another unauthorized person is trying to use your system, an anomaly is detected. It tells us to enter the 6-digit security pin we created the step before, right? So it gives us three chance to enter the security pin. And after the third try, when the anomaly is detected again, it just automatically logs you out of the system. So if the hacker got your session ID or session cookies, they can use the system once they are logged in. But when they get logged out of the system, they cannot access it back. So that's how it works. Let's just wait for the security pin. It might take a lot of time as I have slow internet connectivity. Yeah, it is sent. So the OTP is for now 00. Yeah, that's it. We're logged in. This is the dashboard. We can see the current live mouse flow, keyboard hold, typing velocity, and all of that. This is the transactions. We don't have any transactions right now. Let's just create a transaction. Card number. We have to enter a card number. This is the dummy card number which I'm using right now. The CVV number. Let's just use 5,000 rupees right now. Yeah, We created a deposit, and if we see in the transactions, we can see that transaction over here. In the settings, we have this profile section. We can change our name, our email address, or our phone number. This is the security, where we have the continuous biometric authentication, two-factor authentication, which was the OTP one, and the privacy. It is all the settings just like another website would. So let's just test the anomaly part. I'm going to randomly just move our mouse. It is decreasing, right? Let's see. Yeah, I got the security pin pop up. I will enter my security pin, verify and resume. Let's just try it once more. We have to do this 3 times to check it. Yeah, I got it once more. It's 2 by 3. This graph shows us the identity baseline monitor. Yeah, this is a final warning. If we repeat this again, we will be logged out of the system. Let's just do it once more to check if we get logged out or not. The graph is changing based on how I'm moving my mouse, right? Let's see. I did that again the 4th time and I got logged out of the system. So that's how BehaveGuard works.